Today we will guide you on how to use Alexa to voice control your water timer. First, download and open the Tuya app, click the plus button in the upper right corner, or add device button, then select the socket, Wi-Fi button to add a socket hub. Enter the correct Wi-Fi password. If your Wi-Fi is 5 GHz, please set it to be 2.4 GHz. Plug in the socket, long press the button until the light blinks quickly, follow the instructions and click Next to searching. If the light blinks slowly and enter the AP mode, you can also follow the instructions to pair, or continue to long press until the flash. The irrigation hub is connected. Select the irrigation hub and click Manage Added Devices to go to add more devices. Find and click on the Water Valve Controller button to proceed to the next step. Water timer installed battery, while long press the button of the two-way valve for 5 seconds until the flash into the distribution mode. Or long press the left button for 5 seconds until the flash into the distribution mode. Follow the guide and click the button to enter the device search. The device is successfully connected. Return to the home page, and you will see all connected devices. Open the Alexa app. Select Skills and Games under the More page. Search for the Tuya app and click on Enable to Use to agree link it. The device is successfully connected and you can select any desired scenario. To facilitate voice control, you can change the name to the one you want. Now let's get the device working with Alexa. Alexa, open the left water timer.
Okay.
Alexa, open the right water timer.
Okay.